Welcome back to Grow English Mastery, your absolutely favorite place for professional English skills.
Today, we are breaking down the most common office mistakes to help you speak confidently.
Get ready to upgrade your cation skills and deeply impress your boss immediately.
So grab your notebook, hit that like button, and let us dive right in.
Leo, I am really confused about a grammar mistake today.
Oh no, what exactly is going on with your English?
I always mix up two very simple words when I speak.
Okay, which specific words are always confusing your brain right now?
I always mix up the words say and tell, unfortunately.
That is actually one of the most common mistakes in English.
Are you just saying that to make me feel much better?
Absolutely not. It is an incredibly common trap for students.
Because they both seem to mean exactly the same thing normally.
Yes, that is exactly what most English learners completely think initially.
I mean, you open your mouth and the words come out.
On the surface, that sounds like a very logical explanation.
So, what is the actual difference between these two confusing words?
Is there a secret grammar rule to fix this annoying problem?
I really hope there are no boring grammar charts to memorize.
0 grammar charts today, just one incredibly simple mental trick.
Wow, I am completely ready. What is this magic trick?
I will ask you one very simple question to remember forever.
Okay, I am listening closely. Hit me with the magic question.
You must always ask yourself, who receives the message today?
Wait, what does that have to do with say and tell?
It changes absolutely everything about how you build your English sentences.
Oh, wow, really? I never thought about the listener before now.
Yes, here is the golden rule for your daily conversations.
I am all ears. Please give me the golden rule quickly.
Do not focus on the message. Focus entirely on the listener.
Okay, do not focus on the message. Focus on the listener.
If you remember that, you will never confuse these words again.
No way. Never ever confuse them again in my whole life?
I promise you will speak with absolute confidence after this lesson.
Woo! I love a good promise. This feels much less scary already.
Exactly. That is the wonderful relief we want for our viewers.
So, how does this magic key actually work in real life?
Imagine a normal day where everyday people say and tell things.
Right. People share gossip, news, and jokes at the busy office.
But here's the secret. They have completely different communication jobs.
Interesting. Please explain these different jobs using a clear picture.
Imagine a dark theater stage with only one bright spotlight.
Okay, I am imagining a dark stage with a bright spotlight.
The word say points the spotlight at words floating in air.
So the spotlight is completely focused on the floating words.
Yes, the message is the absolute star of the show here.
You can also think of say as throwing a paper airplane.
Exactly. You fold the message into a small paper airplane.
And you just throw it high into the open sky.
You do not care if a specific person catches the airplane.
Wow, that paints such a clear and memorable picture in my head.
Visualizing it perfectly helps your brain lock the correct grammar in.
Say equals throwing a paper airplane and letting the words fly. Let us try some real-life scenarios to build mental muscle. Yes, let us practice throwing paper airplanes right now.
Imagine you are leaving a loud party and walking out.
Okay, I am standing at the door and waving to everyone.
What do? Do you point at one specific person?
No, I just put the word out there. I say goodbye.
Excellent. She said goodbye, and the spotlight is on the words.
This makes so much sense now. The listener is not important.
Now imagine an angry suspect in a dark police station.
The smart detective asks him a very difficult question right away.
But the suspect decides to keep his mouth completely shut today.
So in that intense situation, what did the quiet suspect say?
Focus on the words coming out of his mouth right now.
He said nothing because the spotlight is on the silent message.
Spot on. We do not know who he was looking at.
Say focuses entirely on the message, even if there is silence.
You are absolutely crushing this grammar detective game today.
I completely understand the paper airplane trick for the word say.
Now we must leave the say zone and step into the real world.
In the real world, we need to interact with specific people directly.
Exactly. You do not just talk to the universe all day long.
That would be a little crazy to just talk to the sky.
So we need a perfect delivery service to hand the message directly.
A direct delivery service means we need a specific target person.
Yes, the spotlight moves off the words and onto the listener's face.
So the word tell highlights the exact person receiving the information.
Let us try an example. You have a big problem at school today.
I need to deliver this message directly to my trusted teacher.
So you point the spotlight at the teacher and do exactly what?
I point the spotlight at my teacher and I tell my teacher.
Perfect. And if you have a wonderful new product at the company?
The target is the buyer, so we tell the customer immediately.
Remember this fast shortcut. Say equals message and tell equals person.
Say equals message, tell equals person. That is incredibly simple.
Now, let us step into the mistake lab to fix common grammar errors.
I am putting on my lab coat and ready to fix some mistakes.
Here is sentence number 1. She said me the correct answer.
Wait, the word me is a specific person receiving the message.
Exactly. The target person is right there, so the sentence is wrong.
Say cannot take a target person, so it is a broken airplane.
So how do you use the direct delivery service to fix this sentence?
We simply change the word. She told me the correct answer.
Spot on. Let us throw another broken sentence into the beaker.
Bring it on. I am a professional grammar detective on the case today.
Sentence number 2. He told that he was very busy this morning.
Let me ask the magic question. Who is the specific listener here?
There is absolutely no listener in that broken sentence at all.
So the word tell is unemployed and has no specific job here.
Perfect explanation. So how do we fix this unemployed grammar mistake?
We throw the words into the sky. He said that he was busy.
You are officially an English grammar expert without memorizing any boring charts.
Let us begin our shadowing practice to train our speaking muscle.
Sentence number 1 highlights the floating message in the air.
My boss said it was a truly great marketing idea.
My boss said it was a truly great marketing idea.
My boss said it was a truly great marketing idea.
Excellent job. Now let us try sentence number 2.
I always say thank you when I receive a wonderful gift.
I always say thank you when I receive a wonderful gift.
I always say thank you when I receive a wonderful gift.
Sentence number 3 shifts the spotlight directly to the listener.
She confidently told her best friend the absolute truth.
She confidently told her best friend the absolute truth.
She confidently told her best friend the absolute truth.
You are doing fantastic. Here is the final practice sentence.
Please carefully tell the new customer about our discount.
Please carefully tell the new customer about our discount.
Please carefully tell the new customer about our discount.
Your pronunciation and grammar are completely perfect for the office today.
I will never confuse these two simple English words again.
Just remember our visual trick. Say is the floating paper airplane.
And tell is handing a package directly to a specific person.
Let us lock in our confident mindset before we finish today.
I communicate my ideas clearly and confidently at the busy office.
I always deliver my English messages to the correct target person.
I speak naturally and fluently without translating rules in my head.
My communication skills improve significantly every single day.
Thank you so much for joining the Grow English Mastery.
Bless you. We will see you all in the next helpful episode.
If you are committed to making this 15-minute plan a part of your life,
Show your energy by smashing that like button
be a hero for a friend by sharing this video,
with someone you know is too busy to study.
and to lock in your commitment to this challenge,
Subscribe and smash that notification bell.